To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. Idiom. In this video, we will learn about idioms. An idiom is a group of words that have a different meaning from the literal meaning. They're interesting ways to get a point across. Idioms are commonly used in spoken English. For example, break a leg. So, this doesn't literally mean break a leg. Rather, it means good luck. For example, I could say, I know you can do well on your exam. Break a leg. Another example is, the exam was a piece of cake. So, this means that the exam was very easy. It's important to learn the meanings of different idioms as they're commonly used in everyday spoken English. Remember that an idiom is a figure of speech. This means that it shouldn't be taken literally as the words in the sentence convey a different meaning.